everybody, how are ya? What's cooking? I'm cooking. It's getting warm in here. Quite unusual thing for Vancouver, huh? But yup. How's it going? My name is Vincelen and welcome to my channel. Jack my intro. Poor bun. I thought about this intro for like 10 seconds and I'm like, let's do it. I'm okay, I think. Well, anyway, highway. Glad you got this far in this video. Please go further. I just want to share what I've been going through this past few weeks. You know, I've been really going through something here. I don't think you would even understand. Yeah. I'm just kidding. But I've been on a vacation play. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I just don't speak French. So yeah, I've taken some time off work, just a few days a week, you know, to babysit my friend who flew from Italy.
Your favorite person ever?
How long has it been?
Too long. Do I have boogers?
I'm sorry, this stranger is just so entertaining. Oh, funny.
What a kid. Kidding! I love you, V. I miss you too. Come back to Vincelen, honey. And everybody that I know, please come to Vancouver. Let's meet up. Let's reconnect. Let's reunite. Hug me. I'm lonely. Just kidding. I'm not. Or am I? Maybe, baby. I feel crazy. So yeah, me and my weird friend, we went around Vancouver, and even outside Vancouver, we ate so much. And we've done some other stuff. I've also celebrated my 19th birthday! Goodbye, my legal days! What? Nah, I don't drink that much. Look at this face. So cute and so sweet. Oh my god. I think I just vomited. This is gonna be disgusting, by the way. Well, I mean, that was the first time I can legally drink. Also, that was the first time that I got tipsy. Or let's just say drunk. So I mean, that was the first time. I don't know when it's gonna happen again. Never really know. People, drink responsibly. No, honestly. Honestly. So yeah, it was quite a time off I had back there, but it was very memorable. Check the next slide out. This past month is honestly nothing but fun. can't believe how possible it is to do the things that I want to do and just be me.
What is going on, everyone?
I am so grateful to have been surrounded with people that can relate to me.
This is
People that are open-minded.
There's a neon light at the end of the tunnel.
People that are kind.
That's the parental. The parentalist!
Those who are just willing to get out there and see the world positively. Because honestly, they are my major influencers.
Watch out, people of goodness! Oh my goodness!
Watch out! Ketchup, watch out!
All my life, I always think that there is a limitation to happiness or to success. But upon meeting people that came from different places, different backgrounds, people who have traveled everywhere to find their purpose, people that have tried so many career paths just to find what's best for them, these people have spent so much time, effort, and money. But for them, the sky is the limit. We think that there's so many factors that hold us back from what we want to do. May it be money, culture, even friends or families. But eventually we will come to understand that most of that force is coming from ourselves. It's either we push ourselves or we hold ourselves back. We are our own selves and we should decide for ourselves. And it's not being selfish. It's called loving yourself. Honestly, that is the best gift that we can ever do to ourselves. I mean, what do I know? I'm still a teenager anyway, apparently. But this is how I want to view my world, and I hope you guys do. Stay happy, everybody! And do not forget to love yourself like you are the only you there is. Ciao! Bye! Ooh! La la.